ready to elevate your brand and boost your online presence by giving your Real Geeks website a fresh new name and URL. Let's dive into how to make that happen seamlessly, step by step. First, log into your Real Geeks account dashboard once you're in. Navigate to your account settings, look for an option related to your website or domain management. This is where you'll find the tools to begin your name and URL change. Within your settings, locate the field for your public website name. This is the name that will be associated with your brand. Go ahead and update this to your desired new name, ensuring it reflects your current brand identity. Next, and critically, is changing your website URL. You'll need to have a domain name ready for this if you already own a domain that you want to use. You'll typically point it here if you need to register a new domain. You can usually do that through Real Geeks or a third-party provider and then connect it. Once you've updated your desired URL within the Real Geeks platform, there's a crucial technical step, updating your domain's DNS records. This process tells the internet that your new URL now points to your Real Geeks website. Your domain registrar will have a control panel where you can make these changes, follow their specific instructions for updating a records, and CNAME records to point to Real Geeks. To ensure you don't lose any valuable traffic and to maintain your search engine rankings, setting up redirects is vital within your Real Geeks settings. Look for an option to manage redirects here. You'll map your old website URL to your new one. This tells any visitor or search engine trying to access your old address to automatically be sent to your new, updated location. After completing these steps, allow some time for the changes to propagate across the internet then. Test your new URL extensively across different devices and browsers to ensure everything is functioning correctly and your branding is consistent. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Real Geeks website name and URL.